In the summer of 1942, the city of Kharkov was bustling with activity, showcasing a mix of military presence and civilian life. German soldiers and military vehicles were a common sight in the busy streets and marketplaces. Among the scenes were German women, likely nurses, identifiable by their military uniforms and white caps. The marketplace was a hub of activity with Germans and civilians interacting. Before we head into that, let me tell you about today's sponsor, World of Warships. For all you hardcore history buffs out there, World of Warships is a free-to-play naval warfare-themed game available on PC. Join the battle as we commemorate the heroes of D-Day in World of Warships with a special 80th anniversary event. Engage in epic naval warfare as you relive history's most pivotal moment on the seas. Command new legendary vessels, strategize with your fleet in new missions, and dominate the waves in thrilling battles inspired by the events of June 6, 1944. Participate in exclusive in-game events, unlock commemorative rewards, and pay homage to those who changed the course of history. Players can unlock new ships, special D-Day PvE, and PvP missions for new and existing players, new commemorative historical commanders, and take command of historical significant American ships and their roles in the battle. Take part in the war that made videos like this possible. You get top-notch graphics, different ship classes, and gameplay modes, and what's even better, the game is available on console. During registration, use the code D-Day 80th to get for free 200 doubloons, 1 million credits, 7 days of premium account time, and a free ship after you complete 15 battles and 3 special D-Day missions after 9 battles, only available for a limited time. Applicable to new users only. The marketplace was a hub of activity with Germans and civilians interacting. A notable moment occurred when a bedraggled Soviet soldier, sitting in the marketplace, handed his cigarette to a German soldier upon request. Another poignant scene involved a German soldier offering a cigarette to an old man who, appearing somewhat crazy, removed his hat and refused the cigarette. Prisoners of war, POWs, were seen walking down a dusty road, pushing a wagon, while Germans in a truck passed them going in the opposite direction. Village life continued amidst the wartime backdrop, with vignettes of a horse and cart, women chatting and children playing. 2 men with a horse and cart piled high with wares walked down a road, and children were seen climbing and playing on a German tank. This snapshot of life in Kharkov during the summer of 1942 captures the juxtaposition of military occupation and everyday civilian life.
kann ich dich nimmer, ich denke immer an dich zurück. Oft träum ich von jenen Stunden, da ich gefunden, Liebe und Glück. Du warst ja so schön, ich hoffte aufs Wiedersehen, und nun ist vorbei, Liebelei. Vergessen kann ich dich nimmer, ich denke immer an dich zurück. Der mich glücklich macht, heute Nacht. Du bist der Rausch, der mich heiß umfängt und mich reich beschenkt, heute Nacht. Fühlst du nicht selber, dass nur du es bist, dass ich sterben müsst, wenn mich heute ein roter Mund nicht küsst? Denn du bist der Traum, der mich glücklich macht, restlos glücklich macht, heute Nacht.
Thank you for watching today's video, once again brought to you by World of Warships. Use the promo code below to take part in one of the greatest battles in history, today.